Hello dear friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to do a 5-minute quick hairstyle if you are in a hurry. So I'm starting off on moisturize here, like my ends were feeling dry. So yesterday I did moisturize my ends. So the hair is shrunken at this point. So you can actually work with shrunken hair or stretched hair. But I don't have a problem to work with shrunken hair. So I've made a part in front. I'm going to make a part, as you can see. So actually at some point I did a similar hairstyle, except it's not exactly the same. I'm going to link it in the description box below so that you can check it out. So that is how the part looks like. So we are going to do flat twist in the front section. We're just going to clip the rest of the hair at the back so that we can work well, so that we are not disturbed. So if you're new on my channel, you can click on that red subscribe button and subscribe now. So I'll be very gentle when doing this, because the front section, actually our edges are very fragile, so you don't want to put any tension on there. So if you don't want to do flat twist, you can use cornrows. If you don't know how to braid, you can learn how to braid by watching uh, tutorials and being patient and practicing. Eventually you are going to know. So of course I'm not going to add any hair, but for the previous one I think I'd added some Mali braid. So as you can see, like, our hair is drastically improving. So that is how the braid looks like. So at the back I'm going to do a bun. So the bun, I would want it to look like a bit fuller, so I've gotten a thread. You can go in with any gadgets that you have. So I avoid elastic bands because they break my hair. So I'm going to pull the thread gently, like so. So make sure that you tie it at the end and then pull it gently, like so. So of course I'm not going to pull going further because I want the band to look fuller. So you can pin the ends of the thread with a bobby pin, and make sure that the bobby pin is invisible, like so. So just one bobby pin, and on the other side one bobby pin, so two bobby pins can actually work well. So comment in the section below, friends, and give this video a like. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Or if this is your first time on my channel, you can click on that red subscribe button and subscribe now. So that is how it looks like. Yeah. So I'm just showing you the back. So that is how I want it to be, like it should look fuller. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get a comb and pick the hair. So first we'll pin the flat twist to the bun, twirl it, and tuck it in, like so, as you can see. So now at this point I'm getting a comb. I'm going to pick the comb. You can even use hands to fluff your hair, but I just wanted to use a comb to pick the hair, like so. So if your hair is dry, make sure that you moisturize it, but if you don't want any shrinkage, you no need to moisturize, because as you go in with a comb you might experience some breakage. So our hair is moisturized. That's the reason why I'm going in with a comb. So that is how it looks like. Make sure that you let it be the way you want it. You are satisfied, shape it, and we are good to go. So that is how it looks like. I'm loving it. It's something that simple that we can do in 5 minutes. So that is the back. That is how it looks like. It's fuller. and it looks beautiful. Yes, so whatever state your hair is in, it's so beautiful. You need to love it, embrace it, and style it. So I'm going to moisturize just the edges with some aloe and some stimulating herbal hair growth oil. If you belong on this channel, like, I talk highly of aloe vera, and I've done quite a number of videos on aloe vera and stimulating herbal hair growth oil. I'm going to link them in the description box below so that you can check them out. They are very informative. So I'll lather it on our edges, because like, aloe has a lot of vitamins and minerals that can actually, help to grow your crown, or rather your edges. So lather it, and once you are done, you can seal in the moisture with the oil. So I don't usually go in with some butters when it comes to the edges, because we don't want any build up on the edges. So comment in the section below, friends. I'd love to hear from you. So lather it nicely. And I don't usually use brushes. I just use the palms of my hands, and I'm good to go. So at this point, you can put on a scarf, but I'm not going to do that. So I'm just fluffing the hair a little bit there. So our hairstyle is ready, and it looks beautiful. I love it. Yes, something simple that you can do within a short possible time. If you are running late, or if you are in a hurry, or if you are just feeling lazy, you are supposed to go somewhere and you don't have that time, you can actually rock this hairstyle. So thank you so much for watching. God bless you. See you in our next video.